Do you believe in the notion that the Ghanaian market is small?
Well,
For decades, Ghana's small businesses faced a crippling reality. Only 10% could access formal financial services, leaving 90% struggling with cash flow issues and limited growth.
For those who don't know, like, what is the SME Thrive project? What are you trying to achieve with that?
yeah, so at Payaza, we believe in empowering SMEs. SMEs, or should I say entrepreneurs, face challenges every day. Challenges like access to funds, having the right tools, having the right connections to scale their businesses. That these are some of the few challenges that SMEs, or should I say entrepreneurs, face on the African continent. One of the things that Payaza we want to do, or what we are bringing to the table, is that we just don't want to see SMEs as customers that we can process for. We want to see them as our partners. And in partnership is a win-win affair.
Traditional banks simply weren't designed for the local entrepreneur selling at Makola Market or a tech startup in Accra suburbs. Over 80% of Ghanaian SMEs cite lack of capital as their biggest growth challenge. Yet, many fintech solutions have focused primarily on payments rather than direct financial support.
I mean, you've said a lot about the capabilities of what Payaza does.
Yeah.
And then the question that is ringing in my head is that what is one thing you would say that you guys have an edge over when it comes to like your other competitors?
Yeah, so I mean, there are a lot of fintech in Africa, and even in Ghana, we have a lot. I think there are over 50 fintechs having enhanced PSP. But I always say that what we bring to the table is partnership and excellent customer service. Partnership in the sense that, as I mentioned earlier on, we are not just interested in making you our customer. We want to grow with you.
Yeah.
We want to understand the challenges you are facing and how Payaza can support you, right? This is the value we are bringing to the table. This is what they are not doing. We are interested to know why you could not make a lot of sales yesterday. We are interested to know how we can help you improve your sales today. We are interested to know how we can help you scale from Ghana and take you to Nigeria, take you to Kenya, right?
Yeah.
This is the extra thing we are bringing to the table. We are looking for a true partnership, relationship with SMEs in Ghana. Then also, in terms of customer experience, you should be able to get support at 12 midnight. You should be able to get support on your
24-hour
platform.
economy.
24-hour support on our platform. I remember I used one platform. I was trying to buy a ticket. I could not make payment on their platform. I called several times. They kept putting me on hold. 2 days, I could not make payment. Ticket prices kept changing. I saw a good deal I wanted to pay for. I couldn't pay. Eventually, I had to send someone to their office to buy with cash, right? And nobody reached out to me to find out why I couldn't pay. This is why we are here.
While digital payments and mobile money services have expanded, the core issue remains. SMEs need capital to scale. In our exclusive interview, Payaza's leadership explains how businesses like Edanra, Night Market, and Accra Goods Market aren't just receiving funding, they are gaining access to financial tools that are helping SMEs grow 30% faster than their cash-dependent counterparts.
Startups like Edanra, Night Market, Accra Goods Market, these companies or startups secured cash funding during the Thrive projects you just ended. So, I'm curious. I want to understand what is the selection process like?
Well, so for the companies that won cash prizes on the day of event, we invited all SMEs to come and pitch their ideas, and Edanra, Night Market, and Accra Goods were part of the team that pitched on that day. And I think we selected the winners based on the innovation they brought to the table, and also we selected our winners based on the fact that they can also contribute to driving financial inclusion in the African market, right? But with that said, when it comes to the SME Thrive initiative, every business qualifies, every SME qualifies. I think the only selection criteria would be you need to be on the Payaza platform, processing on the Payaza platform, right? You need to be using one of our products. Either you are using our collections product on your website or your mobile app, or either you are using our payout solution to do bulk disbursement or single disbursement, or either you are using our payment links if you are an online trader. Instead of advertising your mobile money number, you can use our payment link to collect from both Momo and card, right? So once you are on our platform and we see what you're doing, you qualify for any kind of support that you need from Payaza.
Yeah, that's interesting. What I think fintech solutions have done best is, like, you guys have basically eroded like borders in terms of, like, if somebody wants to do cross-border payments, I think it was really much of a challenge. And then now you mentioned about how if a Ghanaian SME that is signed up to Payaza, if they want to like extend their market to Nigeria, you just activate that for them.
Exactly.
So the question I'm going to ask you is that, do you believe in the notion that the Ghanaian market is small?
Well, in terms of population, yes. If you compare the Ghanaian market to a market like Nigeria, we are small. When you look at the GDP of Ghana to a market like Nigeria and Kenya, we are small. But in terms of prospect, in terms of potential, in terms of digital payments, Ghana is far advanced.
Is there anything you would want to say, especially to SMEs, startup founders, like any advice you want to give them, especially in context with the SME Thrive initiative?
Yes, I just want to tell SMEs in Ghana that yes, they are used to payment platforms. They've seen a lot, but Payaza is in this market to support them. We just don't want them as our customers, we want them as our partners. We don't mind sitting with you to understand the challenges you are going through and how we can support. Maybe all you are asking for is an introduction to someone in Europe, a business in Europe that can help you scale. We are willing to do that. Maybe you've been selling on social media. You are looking at how can I expand? You want to own your own website. You don't have the technical know-how. You don't have the funds to do that. Payaza can give you that website for free and give you access to payment platforms that would allow you to collect from any pocket in Africa. If you are looking at a friend that can give you an advice, Payaza is here to support. Payaza will be organizing master classes bi-weekly for SMEs in different disciplines, bookkeeping, digital sales. Payaza will be organizing that for free for SMEs. Be a part of the family and benefit from this amazing initiative.
Payaza is not only providing payment solutions, but becoming a best friend to SMEs and helping businesses grow. Now, if you learned anything from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then share with someone. See you on the next one.